Guys.
What's up, this Cat Squad? Today we're going to be taste testing some Japanese waters. They're called hydrogen waters. This one is, I don't know what it's called, but I have a little paragraph or so. It's called it's called anti-inflammatory water. It's a widespread trend in Japan, and it's making its way stateside. Hydrogen water. Numerous studies, mostly in Japan thus far, suggest that hydrogen may work as an antioxidant and reduce inflammation. A study with elite athletes revealed that drinking hydrogen water reduced lactic acid buildup and decreased muscle fatigue. So pretty much what they're saying is after you work out, you should drink this water, and then you won't be sore the next day. Okay, so we have another one called Pokari Sweat. There's a little paragraph on the back, or actually this is the front, but I'm going to flip it to you guys. Okay, Pocari Sweat conditioning water is a healthy beverage that smoothly supplies the lost water. And Pocari Sweat conditioning water is a healthy beverage that smoothly supplies the lost water and electrolytes during perspiration with an appropriate density and electrolytes close to that of human body fluid. It can easily be absorbed into the body. Well, it has a typo. It says it can be easily absorbed. Okay, so we're going to taste test this one first. The hydrogen water. It's a hydrogen water. When you're done exercising, drink it, and then you probably won't be sore the next day. And Pocari water is when you're sweating, you're losing your water, and then it has extra electrolytes, which gives more water to your body than needed. So if you exercise a lot and you sweat a lot, then you'll keep all your body fluids. So we're going to try this one first. I thought it was jelly-like because the package kind of felt like jelly.
So, I think it tastes like normal water that you can get anywhere.
I think it tastes like water, but for some reason I'm getting a hint of green tea in it.
It's not even green tea.
And what are you thinking, Soraya? How's it taste?
I'm getting a taste of my favorite fruit, cherry.
Mmm.
Okay, next is the Pokari. Okay, so now we're going to try Pocari Sweat.
I hope this one tastes sweet.
Whoa, look at this.
Ew.
It's like a jelly texture. Look at this when it comes out. It's not like water at all. It's like a gel, like a plasma.
Time to taste it.
It smells like oranges, kind of.
It doesn't smell like anything. It tastes like oranges.
It tastes like oranges.
Mmm.
But I feel like it's just salt. It just tastes like oranges, and then they just dissolve the salt.
For me, it tastes like just pure oranges, but they turned into Jello. Ew. It tastes like a lemon Jello, which is my favorite. Okay. Bye. Bye.
We hope you
Subscribe.
enjoyed this review.
Like, comment down below what you want to see next from us. Cooking reviews. And you got her Coco musical.
You tell us what you would like below.
Musical.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. And make sure if you subscribe, we're gonna do a soda taste test one.
On all the strangest sodas that you may have never seen or heard about.